Good morning, everyone. Today I'm just going to talk about a story which impacted my life. Okay, so when I was very young, before I started to learn ABCD, my mom put me up in a dance class. So it's like that's like my cousins are going over there, so I just want to know what they are going to do there every day for 2 hours. So I just went up for the classes. I signed up for the classes. So at the age of 3, I was in the dance class. So that was my first introduction with the Lord Shiva, who is my favorite character throughout my life. And this is about the story about the Nataraja statue they have in their dance classes. So everyone might have seen the Nataraja statue. So it will be like, you can see it will be with a dancing pose with a small baby-like creature under his lip. So we all wonder what exactly it is. So I'm just going to narrate a story about it and how the story was created. So Shiva is like, he is very fond of music and dance, and he believes that knowledge will spread out throughout the world through music and dance. So music and dance is a core activity which everyone requires in their life. Without that, nothing is possible. So he was having a very happy life, he was helping people in spreading up the knowledge, and everyone in the city was happy. But on the other hand, there is a guy named Apasmara. Okay, he is exactly opposite to Shiva. He is very short, he is ignorant, and he is very arrogant in nature. So what he do was he disturbs people with his ignorance and arrogance. He tried to overpower the people, he tortured the people. So people can't handle him much. So what they did was they went to Shiva and asked his help. Please do something. We really can't handle him anymore in the city. So what he did was, okay, he told, wait, we can't remove ignorance just like that out of the balance. We need knowledge as well as the ignorance to be in the universe. So then the equal balance should not be disturbed. So let's wait what he is up to. So Shiva went back and checked about this guy, Apasmara. Then he got to know that he got a wish from Lord Brahma, that when Apasmara died, he took all the knowledge out of the universe. So there will be only ignorance. So he can't die. So when he dies, the whole knowledge from the universe will be go off. So Shiva was thinking of a way to how to control this guy. So but Apasmara was very arrogant, and one day everyone was talking about Shiva's dance, how he do the tandavas. So he called Shivas for a dance competition. So Shiva started to dance one of his famous form, Ananda Tandava. So everyone was mesmerized with his dance and the music, and everyone lost in the world with his music, and everyone was concentrated. And this guy suddenly popped up, and he is also started to dance next to him. So while dancing, Shiva captured him and got hold of him below his left leg. So in that way, he is trapped below his left leg, but he is not dead. So the ignorance is controlled now. So in that way, he controlled him also, as well as he saved the community. So the moral behind the story is, whenever there is a problem, just don't react to it immediately. Just wait, find out what are the causes, and then find a solution and fix it.